Hello everyone, just walked inside Dollar Tree and I noticed a nice basket here filled with novels, books. It hasn't been like this for a very long time, so if anyone's picked up a book and maybe recommend something that they found at Dollar Tree, that would be super helpful because, it could be one book here or two books there, and at least then we keep our eyes out. But yeah, anyways, super excited to see these books out. Some Dollar Trees have beautiful selection of large Halloween signs or fall decor signs. I love the thickness of this, and the ghost is really actually well done. But anyways, oh my gosh, they have so many things I haven't seen at the other store. This is similar to the Michaels one I purchased years ago. Mine is a burgundy, but they're a velvet finish, and it's a skull head just in case it doesn't make out through the plastic. These are really cool too. So you have two eyes in here. Anyways, this store has a great selection. I'll be honest, a couple other stores I've walked into have not. This is really sturdy. You can turn that into a nice DIY. They're really mini candles, so there's the skulls and then the ghosts, but really cute if you're having a Halloween tablescape, like a nice dinner setting. Those would be really nice to put in a small tea light holder. Even the long stand-up ones, they have the clear ones usually here at Dollar Tree. Could use this material actually because of the little candy corn, and I'm looking for the Halloween fat squares. Another candy corn. I'm obsessed with candy corn this year. Last year was ghosts. This year I'm fascinated by doing something with candy corn. I like this one because it doesn't have the stars or the back cut out, but I do. The other ones are cute too. What else do they have here? Cookie cutters, the syringes, which I know are really popular around Halloween, and they sell really fast. So when you're looking for them later on, you won't find them. I can tell you that because I've gone through that. These are plastic, by the way. Oh, see, I am just like obsessing with this darn print. I don't know why. Last year it was ghosts. This year I might grab this for paper crafting. But I'd take a peek here and see if some of the Halloween prints, like in the towels, because I know there was, what was it, more magic or something. I know some of you were looking for it because I'd shared it from another Dollar Tree, but they don't have it here. So maybe some stores don't have them or they sold fast. Anyways, we'll go down the kitchen stuff here, glassware, nothing really new other than some stuff left from the spring. Doesn't look like they have any of the fall things. Oh, these are really sturdy and great if you're doing etching stuff. I know some of you like doing that, but you are also looking for the football glassware, and I don't see it. The new line actually of fall mugs, the Gather Together, Bless His Home, I believe has the plates to match and also the kitchen towels, etc. They have a selection here of chargers, so silver, some gold with detailing, and the rose gold copper, I guess. So you like using on my Cricut. Have you created anything fun with the shelves? They're like a wood finish on top. Some really cute prints here. These are smaller scaled. I know that there are sometimes larger ones, but those are the smaller ones. And then these are new. I love them. Now, I think I need a gold one for Christmas. You can put some flowers on the bottom, maybe even like a glass candle jar in the middle. I'm thinking over here as I'm staring at these and trying to share other things with you. Yeah, there's some great potential with this. Nice to see the glass candle bases back. A lot of sunflowers at this store. I wanted to share with you that they have some brand name things here in the Like there's Crayola. Anyways, it's the teacher section. I always call it the teacher section, the education section here. But they have Dr. Seuss and a few of these counting blocks. This area is so well organized. If you're looking to make some tags for Christmas even, I know it's a little soon to talk about it, but if you are looking to do that, there's some here. Like how pretty is this section? It looks like Michael's. Has anyone crafted something with these? I always eye them. I think they're so well done. They're a nice size. And then they have these gather and thankful signs. Stickers are really well displayed at this store. I love displays like this. It just has that, you know how Michael's has everything organized? These are, I thought they were enamel. Those are stamps. I love these vintage style stickers. I'm just going to put these away and then I'll share with you what I was referring to. Little hearts. These are like a gem style sticker. But these, aren't they beautiful? I love crafting with these and doing the pocket letters. I just always find that they accent things so perfectly. If you're into this style, of course. And these, I feel like they're a little newer. Anyways, they have stamps. These are new to me. I love this. If you want to make cards or just want to doodle, color, watercolor, you can use these. The glue, residue eraser, and the finger protectors are actually some of my favorite crafts items from the Dollar Tree. I know that they also have the wood without color, so just the natural colored wood beads, but it looks like they're all sold out. They typically sell really fast this time of year. Nice to see these back. I know for a little while I couldn't find them. This is the original packaging, and I feel like it's been changed over to that brown packaging. Some modeling clay, felt squares here, and paints. Some of you are asking to take a look at the coloring books. I don't really see anything that stands out to me other than these Disney coloring books that are Little Mermaid, kind of newer to me, but the pages are still that thin brown page. I typically like a nice thick white page to color on, like this. However, this is a paint by number. They have a great variety right now of wreath forms, so some large ones as you can see, and then the medium size and small ones. Also, they have these LED lights that are changing color. I think they're great for Halloween time, the LED color. By the way, I've done some really cute DIYs with this foam, and actually it was a fall one. These are plastic, not glass, but I'll share with you a link down below and see if you're inspired. Look what I found. These are selling so fast. As soon as they hit the shelf, they're gone. I know that some of you decoupage. You can. I've done some stuff with calendars before as well. I'll share that DIY down below so it just maybe teaches you or gives you some inspiration on how to transfer it over to some wood or another piece of Dollar Tree. You know, like their boards and stuff. These are new. I didn't see that last year or the year before. And they have some new planners, I should say, or calendars. I'm not a really big fan of this layout. It's the same. I like the feeling of the outside of the planner, but I just don't like the inside. And then they have some kid ones, like if you want to frame them, you can put them in a kid's room if they have a theme. Well, this is just the monthly calendar planner. This is a great one. It's nice. Anyways, we'll go down the stationery and see if there's anything else that kind of stands out here. What a fun, colorful bath sponge. And look at these. These are all new to me. I've never tried any of their packaged stuff. I think maybe a hand soak or something. They have these handheld sponges and lots of facial care things. Take a quick peek here. Sometimes there's something that stands out that's like a value pack, but I don't see anything really today. Oh, these you can take apart and use them as embellishments if you're into paper crafting. Like anything that's more flat, it's easier to manipulate. I just thought for those who do the tier tray displays, if you're having trouble finding minis like this, you can spray paint these. And they have these light up spin tops. Oh, I'm gonna grab some. I love Jello, pistachio Jello. I mix it in with my chocolate cake and it makes the cake really moist. So here are some new things on the shelf, and there's Nora's brand name chicken. Oh my gosh, has anyone tried this? Pepperidge Farms is pretty pricey everywhere else. They have big lemon juice and lime. Anyways, I'm gonna go through this a little bit. Check out these cute squishies, and they're actually really well done. I love this avocado. How fun for Halloween treats. I hope you enjoyed walking through Dollar Tree with me today, and thank you so very much for watching. Until next time, everyone, bye for now.
Summer is ended, the leaves are turning brown.